And who do we have here? Shannon, it's Midsummer today. Look at this. Always lagging behind. 6:50. We gotta get our stuff moving.
Good morning, everyone. It is bright and early. Friday morning.
Midsummer.
We are riding in style. All right, we're on Södermalm, which is where we used to live, and we're going to pick up our good friends, and we're going on a little road trip.
Are we going? Are we fitting?
We're in. Okay, we have picked up our friends Max and Josiah. Say hello.
Hello, friends of Shannon.
What are you doing back there?
The brakes.
I've made a very tasty cocktail of gin, soda water, fresh grapefruit, cucumber, and some fresh mint.
Spelade och ingen genererade. Då var det ljuvt att leva. Skål!
Skål för Sverige.
Skål!
Det här är min företag.
Nu.
Jag heter
Gratis
Justus.
under helgen.
Hej Justus!
It's pickled herring. It's delicious. Love it. Skål. What are we doing, Shan?
We're going to beat some kids at making flower crowns.
Flower picking competition.
Flower picking competition. We're gonna beat those kids.
We gotta beat them.
Beat those.
Sha! Gotta add them in there.
These ones are very nice.
Yeah.
Tycker inte du att de har lagt dem väldigt fint? Jag tycker inte det. Här har vi vinnaren!
Did you win? I think you got beaten by the best kid out there.
Those kids were really
Sorry.
Beaten by a 3-year-old. Huh?
Midsummer celebrations are a big deal here in Sweden. It's all about bringing in the summer solstice and celebrating the longest day of the year with the most sunshine. Just check this out. It is almost 11 p.m. and the sky is so bright still. The sun is barely going to set tonight.
Promise me that you know the world
This is one of the best midsummers ever.
It is definitely one of the best
Perfect
midsummers
weather,
ever.
perfect fucking company. And now we're going for a sauna.
Go on now, be good, be fine, live your life, dream big, don't forget to
Okay
be
guys,
kind,
just come out of the sauna.
live it's your
hot in there.
life.
And I'm going
Rocks are
for a
meant
dip in
to
the
be
lake.
picked up and thrown. New ideas can be pleasantly overgrown. But you know where to go if you follow that heart. One step at a time, we all play our part. Go out now, be good, be fine,
We survived midsummer.
live your
Just.
life, dream
Not much
big,
sleep.
don't
Lots of light.
forget
Sauna.
to be kind, live it's your life. Go on now, chase
Okay.
your dreams, every scene. Go on now, be good, be fine.
Oh, är det kallt?
Live your life.
Is that Swedish?